Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
I'm 900. How do I look for 900?
Pretty old.
Yeah.
You're considered elderly now. It's okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Tell the dogs to tell me happy birthday.
Tell your mother happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Yay, they're both wagging their tails.
It's because they're happy.
If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be here today. I gave birth to you two.
It's official. Are you finally awake?
Lexi, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yay.
Happy birthday to me. I smell like pee.
Where are you going with this?
I don't know. I'm just making it up. I was up to like 4.
We partied hard.
Yeah.
Do you feel older?
My body hurts.
And so it begins, and trust me, it's going to get worse. Our chairs are coming back today. Wow. Hon, you have to see these.
Those are nice.
Very nice. Happy birthday.
You got the details.
That was coincidence.
What are your thoughts? I'm gonna shower with them.
This is probably one of the worst showers you've ever taken.
Well, I wanted to make you breakfast first.
Thank you.
I haven't made your fried egg in forever.
I could make you breakfast, but you don't eat breakfast.
Yeah.
And it would just be me going into the pantry and grabbing you a cracker.
And you would be eating it.
You want a cracker? You want some peanut butter, maybe? Peanut butter cracker?
That's sweet, baby.
Candy? Cereal?
Oh, you can make cereal, kind of.
Ah, leftover popcorn with a shower cap.
You probably used the wrong milk.
There's a wrong milk.
Hello, I am your eggs. You are about to eat me.
I would like to say happy birthday to Diana Pirillo. This is your birthday today. Oh, yes.
I completely forgot in all the excitement of today that I have to do a live stream,
Yay!
which I'm also excited about.
Now everyone's gonna comment happy birthday, Diana.
So you're going to be in the live stream.
I can. I gotta be pretty on my birthday.
You're pretty every day.
Oh, let's just have my birthday in my PJs.
It's up to you.
No.
You really want to go to the steakhouse in your PJs, though?
I'll be like, it's my birthday. I do what I want, and then they kick us out.
That's how I comb my hair. Done. Showered. Ready to go pick up your cake.
Yay!
Then you are going to lead this week's AMA. So if you ever wanted to ask Diana anything, that would have been your chance, because by the time this goes up, it will have happened live. The video will still be on our channel, though. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing Diana's favorite color today. There's a short stack of stuff, but I'm sure not all of it is for Diana. I'm just gonna open one of them right now, since it's addressed to me, and it's definitely for me. A Darth Vader phone case. And even though it's for a phone I no longer have, I'm very happy to have it. And there's the cake. Exactly how she wanted it. I also got candles. 900.
Hello?
Are you ready to go with the live stream?
No.
Are you gonna be ready to go with the live stream?
Almost.
You got about 15 minutes, which is about the time it's gonna take me to get home. Oh, got someone else calling. Gotta go. Ow. Here you go. You look beautiful. Ow.
What's wrong?
Your side view mirror on your car, as I was taking the cake out of the back seat and bringing it into the house,
Yeah.
it jumped out at me. Ow. It hurts. I may not make it. Now I gotta get the live stream going here.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Aw, thank you. I love you.
I have food in my bowl.
Yeah.
Can I have your cake?
You can, no, baby. You'll get sick and die. Dave Prowse sent me a happy birthday tweet.
He did?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I know.
Really?
I said it made my day. Thank you very much.
Let's see if I can get Yoda to send you one.
That would be so cool.
Did you vlog it?
Happy birthday from the dark side.
Oh, that's awesome.
How cool is that?
That's pretty cool.
Guess who else sent me a tweet? And it's his first tweet ever. My dad. He said, we hope you having good birthday, Diana. From Mom, Dad, everybody loves Diana.
Did he hashtag it?
No, but that's funny. Thanks, Dad. Love you and Mom both. It's my birthday. I can do what I want to. Do what I want to.
Okay, do you want to put on a party hat?
Yes.
And see the array of Yoda-themed stuff I got you? And me, because, you know, it's a party and we're both here. So I needed to get 2 Yoda paddles, 2 Yoda yo-yos.
Oh, this is new.
2 Yoda coloring books so we can color.
Oh, we could put
one of
names.
these. Yeah, well, we could, but we only needed 1. So you got one of those. And then 1 Yoda notebook and note sticker things. 2 Yoda cups, which do need washed. And I'm going to do the dishes. Just another present there for you. Happy. Well, where are you going? Just put it on. You don't need a mirror. I was gonna say happy. Okay, okay. Your hair looks great. Happy birthday! Vader's on one side. I didn't realize that, but we have Yoda here. This is the one that was on the package. So it's just imagine the whole thing's Yoda.
My brother-in-law Ben and our nephew sent us the cutest voicemail ever. And you guys gotta hear this.
Happy birthday, dear Aunt Diana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Aww,
I think I heard Amber in there too.
that made my day. That was really sweet. This is so much fun. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it. What should we put?
It's up to you. I'll do my best.
Happy D-Day?
D-Day? You're going to have to settle for an abbreviation. Diana didn't like the BD, so I
Well, it sounded
turned it into a
bad.
B-Day.
It just sounded like, you know, there's so many bad associations with BD.
So now it's bidet.
Yeah.
There's no bad association with bidet.
Isn't that like a toilet that
Not exactly a toilet. It just washes your butthole.
rich people use?
Check out the Yoda ears on the Y. It may look yellow on camera, but I would say the room is now flooded with a green light. More green than what might be in that room, which appears to be red from here.
You like my stockings? They're new. No, these aren't cutting it.
My back is really creaky today. I'm warming up the car for Diana. Would you rather have one awesome birthday in your entire life, or have several sucky birthdays for each year of your life?
One awesome birthday, but it's gotta be like awesome.
Well, you got a phone that you wanted.
Gray just texted me and said happy birthday. That was sweet of her. She remembered.
You totally dodged my present there.
Oh, you're gonna give me a present?
You're holding on to it.
I'm reading all my birthday tweets. Ready?
Okay, but baby, we don't need to go that way. We need to go this way.
Oh, what?
Sunset walk sign is on way across.
We're gonna have to wait about a half hour or so. We called ahead for reservations, but they don't take them here.
No, first come, first serve.
It's gonna be very difficult to get service.
Do you want me to go try? I'm a girl.
Yeah, you're way cuter than
Okay,
I am.
well, what do you want, baby? I'll go try.
Stout or a porter. I stood there for 15 minutes waiting and didn't get service. Diana goes up there, and before she even gets to the bar, 3 people pounce on it.
I ordered your stout, and surprisingly, they attended me within seconds.
I know.
It must have been my eyelashes. I did this.
Do you have enough utensils there?
Lemon water is very good. It's really cold right here.
Well, it's cold because we're by the door. They didn't know it was your birthday. I sure hope Caesar doesn't come looking for his salad. I'm almost done with it. Is that an iceberg?
I'm in a mood coma.
I'm so full. I think you're going to have to steer for me. It's time for your cake!
Yay!
You get to eat it because it's for you.
Can I have some too, Mommy?
No.
Damn it.
You didn't put any candles on first.
Oh, yeah.
You just went right for the cake.
Oh, man.
We'll just zoom in close and pretend that you didn't eat it.
Okay.
And a 1, and a 2, and a happy birthday to... What key are we in?
Do I get to make 900 wishes?
Let's just stick to 1 and see what happens after that.
What should I wish for? I wish for 900 more wishes. Can you do that?
I think you just did.
Okay, here I go.
Yay! It's bad luck when you eat the cake before doing anything with blowing out the candles.
I just dug in straight into the cake.
Well, that's what matters most. Or what may matter moist, if the cake happens to be that way.
Look, I hit it once.
Which is 1 more than how many times I hit it.
Oh, look at his hair.
Well, yeah, but he's got a cake on his shirt, too.
That's so cool. I love it.
Mommy's still talking to her parents, and she hasn't opened up her birthday presents yet. The day ain't over, dude.
Is it time?
It is time, although I don't know how much time we have left in this vlog.
Uh-oh. This one is from Veronica. Look at that color!
It's definitely green.
Wowzers! That is the prettiest green.
Diana doesn't like pink, she likes green.
Thank you so much, Veronica.
AKA Raven Ryu on YouTube. Look who tweeted Diana today. Yoda! Cherie Cleaver wanted you to enjoy this.
Boy, I feel so spoiled today. You like it, baby?
Subtle is not in your vocabulary, is it?
I love sparkle. That is gorgeous.
Thank you, Cherie.
Thank you so much, Cherie. Hi, Diana. I wish the size is fine. Hope you like it. Best wishes. Jawdat, Kara. Oh, I butchered that. You did it, baby.
I think we'll just say thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Fancy. These make them look so stylish. Beautiful. Wow, I wonder who this is from.
I think I got that for you, hon.
But you're not sure.
Well, because I end up seeing something that looks cool. I'm like, yeah, click, buy.
That's beautiful. I love the necklace. I didn't have a necklace like this. This is like a choker.
Thanks again for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching even more of our videos right now.